The team of Communic welcomes you to the Green Vengers Assemble Earth Day Special. Hope all of you are having a great day. The members of the Communic who will be presenting today are Sanvi, Lakshita, Shrestha and myself Nivedita. Without any further ado, let's get into the presentation. Why a day for Earth? Every year on April 22nd, Earth Day marks the birth anniversary of the modern environmental movement in 1970. Today, Earth Day is widely recognized as the largest secular observance in the world, marked by more than 1 billion people every year as a day of action to change human behavior and create global, national, and local policy changes. The day is owned by the Earth to raise awareness about its changes like global warming, rise in pollution, and climate change. Now, the fight for a clean environment continues with increasing urgency as the ravages of the climate change becomes more and more apparent with every day. With COVID-19 causing lockdowns around the world, Earth Day, the planet's largest civic event, went entirely digital for the first time in its history. In every continent, in dozens of languages, humanity celebrated our shared home. But as we step into the modern life, let's look back and see how it exactly began. The first Earth Day in 1970 mobilized millions of Americans for the protection of our planet. On April 22nd, 1970, 20 million Americans, that is 10% of the US population at the time, took to the streets, colleges, campuses, and hundreds of cities to protest against environmental ignorance and demand a new way forward for our planet. The Earth Day is credited with the launching of the modern environmental movement and is recognized as the largest civic event. Earth Day led to the passage of landmark of environmental laws in United States, including the Clean Air, Clean Water, and Endangered Species Act. Many countries soon adopted similar laws, and in 2016, the United Nations chose Earth Day as the day to sign the Paris Climate Agreement into force. Now let's see a short video to get more idea about the Earth. Earth Day is celebrated worldwide to raise awareness of the environmental issues and to inspire appreciation for the environment. The idea for Earth Day came after the massive oil spill in Santa Barbara, California in 1969. Former US Senator Nelson wanted to raise awareness about the Earth, so he created Earth Day. Nelson chose April 22nd because it falls between spring break and final exams on the school calendar. On April 22nd, 1970, 20 million Americans demonstrated for a healthy, sustainable environment. That first Earth Day eventually led to the creation of the US Environmental Agency, the passage of the Clean Air Act, the passage of the Clean Water Act, and the passage of the Endangered Species Act. Now, more than 192 countries observe Earth Day, making it the largest secular observance in the world.
It's Earth Day, but what's so special? The fact that it's the 51st Earth Day? Well, you can term it so, because today we are going to become Green Vengers. But what are Green Vengers? A term we use for nature warriors, a person who competes the problems and finds out the solution to every problem we face. And today, we are all going to find out solution for the world's problems, virtually with fun. And these solutions will be published in the next edition, and the solution which receives the maximum votes in each category will win. So, all the best, Green Rangers. Our environment faces several problems, and many of these seem to be worsening with time, bringing us into a time of a true environmental crisis. It is therefore becoming increasingly important to raise awareness on the existence of these issues, as well as what can be done to reduce their negative impact. Some of the key issues are vanishing species, overflowing landfills, air pollution, rainforest destruction, water pollution, along with energy depletion. Every problem has a solution, but identifying the solution is a major problem. It is a big to-do list, but we can use science, creativity, and sheer willpower to get things done. Perhaps Earth's environmental problems don't seem so troubling to you right now, but they might affect much more in the future. And that can already be seen in many places of India, making the conditions even worse. These are some solutions we have found for reducing the pain faced by our Mother Earth. Stop hunting animals to save the endangered species. Follow the 3 R's to reduce the amount of garbage produced. Replace fossil fuels with alternative energies. Plant more and more trees to maintain the balance in nature. Use renewable energy efficiently. And avoid mixing contaminants in water. This is a very small part of solutions to all the problems faced by Earth. We call our home as Mother Earth. So let's fulfill the responsibility of being a child of it.
Distance, not silence. During the time of this pandemic, we have distanced ourselves from each other, but it does not mean we stay silent. Each individual can contribute in their specific way to make this day a true. We can plant a tree or add some green to our space. We can buy eco-friendly products, and we can avoid getting groceries in plastic bags and instead carry a reusable jute bag or paper bag. Your one effort can bring change in the situation, and Team Communic believes that you all are capable of becoming green vengers and can make an effort to take care of our Mother Earth. When we had our Zoom in, we had an exciting trivia time for all our viewers. Drum roll please, and the winner for our trivia time was Advait. Congratulations! Thank you to all our viewers who participated in the trivia time.
We hope you enjoyed the webinar. A big thank you for all of you who spent time for us from your busy schedule. Today's webinar was full of knowledge and interesting facts, and we are sure the precious knowledge that you all gave us will definitely help us in the future. I heartily congratulate all our Trivia Time participants for the active participation. And this program would not be a success without all of you. Once again, a big thanks. But you aren't a green venger yet. To become one, let's solve some problems. The environment plays a significant role to support life on Earth. But there are some issues that are causing damages to life and the ecosystem of the Earth. It is related not only to the environment, but with everyone that lives on the planet. There are hundreds of issues as we have discussed, but these are some issues we aren't finding solutions to. Plastic pollution, food waste, air pollution, freshwater depletion, droughts or floods, and loss of biodiversity. Please share your solutions to these problems at the link which has been mentioned in the post. We are glad you saw our Earth Day special video, and we would love if you could give us your valuable feedbacks about this session to the communic1@gmail.com. Thank you.